My people, now good morning. Now welcome back to another video. This video is a very quick one. I don't want to make it too long. Today's video I go to show how to cook yummy delicious catfish pepper soup. So then my catfish, I don't wash and clean them already. Then I can put that for my pot. Then I can put onions. Then I can put fresh pepper. See this fresh pepper, they very hot well. You feel add as many as you want, okay? Because this one a pepper soup. Then after that I can put my seasoning. You fit use any seasoning of your choice, ginger powder, salt. So you fit use any seasoning of your choice. So my people, if today na the first day wey be say you dey see my YouTube channel, make you not forget to like this video, make you subscribe. Subscription are free, okay? They no dey pay put. Just click on that subscription there wey say subscribe, okay, and be among this family. Trust me, you will enjoy and hear this channel na pidgin English na everything they talk and here, okay? I will break am down for una to understand. So after I don't put all my seasoning, then I can put water, then I can cover and make it cook. Now very easy to make. It not hard, they take time. It is very easy. This catfish pepper soup, you feel use and eat anything, yam, rice, swallow, and if you be nursing mom too, it is very good. You know all those blood will be say that the day your tummy there, you will wash and bring them out, okay? So then I can cover and I can leave and make it cook. Then after some time, after like 15 minutes, then I can come back and check on my fish. My fish is almost done. Then I can put pepper soup spice. This now blended pepper soup spice, okay? Then I can put them. After I put them, voila, then I can cover them, make it simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes. My pepper soup done ready. Yummy, look delicious. What do you not think? Una go dey try this pepper soup. I tell you, I say they very easy to make, very easy. You know, they take much time. So this is it. It's already. Me and my family will go. They knock this pepper soup spice, this catfish pepper soup with rice. What do you think? What do you feel this catfish pepper soup with? Let me know for the comment section. Yummy catfish pepper soup. This catfish pepper soup, you feel use and welcome oga after a long trip. Trust me, you go enjoy and you go seek your praise. See, this catfish pepper soup, very yummy, very yummy. Look at that. Food is life, my people. Make una try this catfish pepper soup and make una let me know what you think. See catfish pepper soup now, see as it look good, beautiful, sweet for face. What you think? Okay, now I'll see you when I get for my next video. Now bye.